Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all just got done watching and enjoying my Rare Beauty first impressions review. If you didn't, link is right here. Go check her out. I'm enjoying this Rare Beauty right now because Selena definitely did her magic with these products, so go check that out if you haven't. But right now we are here testing Jackie's theory that she's got a real tea at McDonald's sweet honey next tea about how to keep your makeup set, finished, not moving all day, but with a face mask. As you saw with my Rare Beauty review, that tea was the Ben Nye Final Seal. Basically got this to test Jackie's theory on if this works or not.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a sticker. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flicker. Bill, I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up.
So definitely after watching Jackie's video, I hunted down where to buy this. I'll link the website I went to down below. It was like this cosmetic website I found that does like stage makeup and everything like that. This little bottle was like, I want to say $12, $14, and it's a 1 fluid ounce. As you see, I've been using her, so she's already halfway gone. Basically did her makeup pretty much how she would normally do it. I think the only thing I did not do like she did in her video was she did use Ben Nye's Final Seal spray to wet her sponge with when applying like her concealer under her eyes. I didn't feel that was all that necessarily because I don't do like foundation and then concealer on top, so I didn't feel like I needed that like added seal to do that. So I literally just set my full makeup with it at the end and left it at that. But she says like once it dries down, you're good and it won't go anywhere. So here is my face mask to test it out. She had just one of those like disposable white blue like face masks that you just use for one wear and toss, but this is one of my fabric ones that I reviewed in my face mask video. We're just gonna test this out. She like literally just went through and just patted the face mask like all over her face to show that it doesn't transfer. Oh, dang, Jackie, okay? Girl, you see that? There's nothing. And like, your girl's pressing. I'm pressing. Yeah, nothing. Not going anywhere. Okay, Jackie. Okay, girl, because I was about to say, this tea tastes like it got no sugar in it, but now seeing you did add a full pack. Not moving. Okay, Jackie. Okay, you may know a little something, but guys, I'm not going to just leave it there. Initial test of testing your face, that's not going to be enough for me. I work retail. I have a face mask on for 8 hours, if not more, throughout the day, and I'm telling you, your face gets hot and it starts to sweat. So I'm gonna run my errands, which is obviously gonna be less than 8 hours. I wanna come back to you guys and we're gonna see if Jackie is right, if this jank is gonna stay all day and keep my makeup where it's at, or if I'm gonna end up with horrible face mask lines that I normally have at the end of my workday. We will see. Give me a sec, we're gonna come right back to it.
2 hours later.
Hi guys, well I am back from going out to eat and running my little errands. Got me some twisted crab. She was real good, but let's see what's going on under here and if Miss Jackie is right about Ben Nye. Drum roll please. Now let's take a looky together. Don't know if you can see from there, but there is starting to be some transfer. Definitely isn't that clear white that was there earlier. Obviously my lipstick hasn't been gone because, you know, I was sucking on some crab legs. But definitely starting to get some like makeup transfer like around the nose right here and like on my cheeks, and very little bit of blush started to come off, but barely. It's mainly I can see that the foundation was starting to transfer and come off. Now that's honestly a lot better than what life would be like without Ben Nye and his final set spray, because let's be honest, I have fully done my face and then put a face mask on and everything come like wiping right back off in like 2.5 seconds. But this time wearing the mask on and off for like the last few hours, that little bit isn't necessarily too bad. Now I do admit I have tried Jackie's little trick prior to this video and this demonstration, and honestly that transfer you see only gets worse throughout the day when you're trying to necessarily go for a long wear concept. So like I said, I work in retail, so I have to wear a face mask the entire time I'm there. The only time I take my face mask off is during my break when I am secluded and no one's around me, and usually by my break half my makeup is in my face mask, and that's honestly from me only doing my makeup from like my nose and up, because me personally I don't even worry about trying to do any contours or lipstick or like highlighting my chin or anything like that. I don't worry about half my face because I know the makeup's going to transfer at the end of the day, but I would still get nose transfer and everything like that on my face mask no matter what. In fact, let me grab a face mask from my work day the other day so you can see. So you know that I'm not lying to you all. This is my face mask from the other day, and working my normal hours, the transfer on here is definitely a lot greater than it is on here, and that was still me using the setting spray. So it does help a little bit, as you saw after fully doing my face and spraying it and patting it down, the face mask, and rubbing my face. It was not honestly going anywhere. The concept of face mask is to keep everything out, but with that it also keeps your hot breath in. So your face just normally gets hotter and starts to sweat more than it would normally when you have nothing on there. And no matter how great Ben Nye Final Set spray is, it's not gonna stop from condensation and sweat beating up on your skin. That's simply gonna just break down its formula and it's gonna start transferring, and that's what you see on these face masks, and that's just the reality of it. So Jackie's right, but Jackie's also wrong. It's definitely not a foolproof method. It's great for if you're going out to dinner with friends and you need a face mask to get you from the front door to your table, and you're taking it off after that, and you want your face to still look beat and perfect and beautiful. Yes, Jackie's right in that aspect. It's gonna hold you. It's not gonna hold you through a work day or any kind of event where you have to wear that face mask longer than maybe 15 minutes, because you're gonna start getting transfer onto your face mask no matter what, because that's just reality. This is our new life. 2020 is feeding us. So sad to say, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope this was informative to you all. If you enjoyed it, definitely give me a thumbs up. I like to necessarily know what you guys are liking and loving and enjoying. Of course, if you want to subscribe, please do so, because I got so many other added juicies for you all concerning comparisons and different tries concerning products for you all. So definitely subscribe if you want to see more of that. And as always, I would love to hear from you all, so don't forget to leave comments down below. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye.